One of the deepest impulses in man is the impulse to record, to scratch a drawing on a tusk, or keep a diary. The enduring value of history is, one might say, the very basis of civilization. John J. Chapman, American author, 1862 to 1933. Those who do not remember the past are condemned to repeat it. George Santayana, American philosopher, 1863 to 1952. Dear esteemed guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Civitas, Quered Books, and Institute Menezes Braganza, I, Danica Fernandez, am extremely delighted to welcome each and every one of you to this auspicious occasion of the release of my dad's book, Post-Colonial Politics in Goa, Cabinet Government, Union Territory to Statehood, a labor of love of 4 years of research. Today, it is my pleasant privilege to welcome all of you, beginning with our dearest chief guest, two-time Chief Minister of Goa, former Rajya Sabha MP, and a man with a large heart for the people, a fighter for Konkani and Goa, Mr. Luisine Falero, his magnanimous wife, Rachel Falero, and son, Ravi Falero. I extend a warm welcome to the guest of honor, learned senior advocate, Carlos Alvarez Falera, the honorable public-spirited and vocal voice of MLA of Aldona. Also, a heartfelt welcome to Executive Editor of O Heraldo, Mr. Satadru Oja, a dear friend and amiable person. A special and warm welcome to celebrated author and former editor of O Heraldo, an extremely nice person, Mr. Alexandre Moniz Barbosa, who will deliver the keynote to address today. A special welcome to senior journalist and ideator of the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium and a jovial and eloquent host, Mr. Jovito Lopez, the master of ceremonies for today's book release function. It is also my pleasure to extend an affectionate welcome to Ms. Namrata Ulman, Secretary Legislature. She and her late father, Mr. Ashok Ulman, the former Goa, Daman and Diu Legislature Secretary, extended tremendous help and support while doing the research for the book. A warm welcome also to Dr. Lourdes Bravo y Costa, the former state librarian who helped and supported my dad in his PhD research, which was later published in the form of this book. I extend a warm welcome to the Salesians of Don Bosco. I am a student of Don Bosco, and my dad an alumni. We have benefited tremendously from their amazing education system, devised by St. John Bosco of Turin, Italy. Welcome, Father Kinley de Cruz, manager of Don Bosco College, Father George Quadros, the genial and innovative priest who has brought about an agricultural revolution in Goa through mechanical plantation and harvesting. I welcome, in a very special way, Dr. Lilia de Sequeira, the daughter of the legendary opposition leader, Dr. Jack de Sequeira, who saved Goa from merger with Maharashtra, Mr. Sukija and Mr. Jack Sukija, the president of Travel and Tourism Association of Goa. My pleasure to welcome politicians, doctors, advocates, professors, media persons. I extend a warm welcome to Shri Damodar Naik, the Goa State President of BJP, Mr. Rohit Mansaran, the Mayor of CCP, Amit Patkar, President of Goa Congress, Tulio D'Souza, Vice President of Goa Congress, Valmiki Naik, Vice President of Aam Aadmi Party, and Dharma Chorankar, ex-MLA. It is also my pleasant task to welcome a dear friend and senior criminal lawyer, Advocate Arun Braz Disa, Advocate Joseph Vaz, Advocate Shashank Narvekar. In a very special way, I feel proud to welcome two Goan editors, Mr. Vijay D'Souza, who is the editor of Navin Times, and Mr. Raju Naik, who is editor of Gomantak. I also welcome Dinesh Keluskar, editor of Dainik Herald, and Mr. Sujit Nair, deputy editor of O Heraldo. Since it is also my dad's birthday, this is not only a book release function, but a gathering of friends, well-wishers, and people dear to us. People who have supported my dad and our family. A nostalgic welcome to my dad's B.Ed colleagues from Nirmala Institute, Diego Pinto, Joyce Cabral E. da Costa, Lavet Falero, Framilda Gracious Gudino, and Sharmila Rao, who will be meeting after 37 years. I also welcome our close family, my dad's loving sister Lucia and my dad's sister-in-law Perpetua, who have always stood by us. Finally, on behalf of the organizing committee, comprising of Mr. Jovito Lopez, Mr. Romel D'Souza, Felicio Fernandez, Savio Nazario D'Souza, Bosco D'Souza Eremita, and Antonio Fernandez, I welcome the staff of Herald TV, the students of St. Xavier's College, and each and every one of you who have been gracious enough to take time to support us and attend this function. On this auspicious occasion, I remember my grandfather, late Francisco Fernandez, and my grandmother, Maria Rosada Fernandez, who embedded values of hard work, honesty, and quest for knowledge in my dad, Dr. Freddy Fernandez. They would have been extremely delighted to be present here today at the release of the book, Post-Colonial Politics in Goa, Cabinet Government, Union, Territory to Statehood, which completes 25 years and whose third edition will be released today at the hands of our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Luisino Falero. It is an extremely delightful occasion for me, my family, my mum, Ruby, my brother, Elton, my dad's friends, and well-wishers, and I hope for each one of you too. I wish every one of you a pleasant and intellectually beneficial evening. Thank you for coming. I promise you, all of you will be a big part of a little history for having witnessed this event.